Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you all are well. My name is Ari and this is PlasticholicTV. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Smash that like button. And thank you for supporting this channel. Today we're going to talk about RXO Unicorn Gundam othe BANSHEE Destroy Mode. Let's go. Guys, first we're going to talk about the kit itself, and later on we're going to give you information about the background or history this Gundam. HGUC RXO Unicorn Gundam othe BANSHEE Destroy Mode. Classification: high grade universal century and scale 1/144. So guys, what we know about this kit is the hip joint can swivel forward and backward, and shoulder joint can slightly rise up for upward articulation, and the claw is not articulated, and then both arm and leg joint can be bent into 90 degrees. And some of my friends said that the thigh or waist is very fragile, but actually I don't see, or I don't have that problem when I built this one. Then the beam saber on forearm panels can be flipped out forward to form Binton fast. The beam saber hilts can be optionally removed from the backpack as handheld weapons, but the beam effect part sold separately. So this kit didn't give you a water decal or sticker. So for better result, actually we can buy the decal from RG and put it in this kit. I think it will be awesome. So happy building, everybody. RXO Unicorn Gundam othe BANSHEE Destroy Mode. Manufacturer: Anaheim Electronic or Augusta Newtype Lab. Operator: Londobel and Fish Foundation. And non-pilot: Marida Cruz. In the real world, in OVA, you can watch it in Mobile Suit Gundam UC, start from episode 4 and 5. In the movie, you can watch it in Mobile Suit Gundam UC 1 of 72. And in the game, you can play it in the Dynasty Warriors Gundam Reborn. Special equipment: Newtype-Destroyer system. The Newtype-Destroyer or NTD system is an anti-Newtype system developed by Earth Federation and used on the RXO series. The system works by using the psycho frame built within its body to seek out Newtype brainwave. Should one be found, the NTD system activate and the Unicorn Gundam or the Unicorn Gundam, the BANSHEE and the Phoenix from its usual Unicorn mode into its Destroy mode, improving its stats overall and allowing it to take control of new type weaponry used by others and turn them against them. However, the system has a number of flaws, including having a 5 minutes time limit so it wouldn't kill its pilot, and the fact that it doesn't discriminate against real new type and cyber new types. Its most ironic flaws is that because of the massive stress to give its pilots, a new type is the best pilot for the unit. Thankfully, those with strong will can overpower the system and determine when it can activate. Combat and technology characteristic. After its completion alongside the Unicorn Gundam, the Banshee was eventually stationed on Earth with the Augusta Research Lab and tested for atmospheric combat. Rather than that of a unicorn, the Banshee's motif is that of a lion, illustrated with gold accent on the forehead, a golden collar to signify a lion's mane. The Banshee originally had the same color as the unicorn, but this was changed after it suffered damage while battling in space. And a much more elaborate horn fin. Armament. Beam saber. The Banshee is equipped with 4 beam saber, 2 on the forearms and 2 in the backpack. In Unicorn mode, the MS only has access to the 2 forearm mounted beam sabers. In Destroy mode, the other 2 beam sabers flip out from the backpack, allowing access to all 4 sabers. Armor VN. A psycho frame embedded weapon fixed on either the left or right arm. The armor VN or vibration nails can transform into a shape similar to a beast claw in both Unicorn or Destroy mode, and uses the super vibrating vice-like claws to effectively destroy mobile suit. It is treated with beam-resistant coating and can also be used as a shield or striking weapon when in close mode. Armor BS. A weapon featured only in the OVA version. It is equipped on the right arm, a psycho frame embedded long-range beam smart gun, capable of extremely accurate firing, achieved by a special built-in sensor unit transmitting spatial data to the pilot via SciComm system and using the pilot's reaction to synchronize the beam directing fins. The weapon can be used in both Unicorn and Destroy modes. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like what you saw, and I will see you in the next Gunpla, next action. Bye bye.